Good morning, everyone. This is Vipul Jain, founder and director of BSV Handicraft LLP. BSV Handicraft LLP is a limited liability partnership firm and was incorporated on December 27, 2016. What Handicraftware is? Handicraftware is a young startup. It offers products of a royal finish and deals only in handmade things. Therefore, it is the urgent need to revive the art and culture of Indians, which is loved by everyone around the globe, and to increase exports so that the country may be able to balance the imbalanced balance of payment. BSV Handicraft LLP is a business model which has its unique revenue business model for helping not only the nation but also the craftsmen of the country, so that we can revive Indian art, which is diminishing like anything, and as well as we can help poor craftsmen to get their appropriate share, which they initially used to be bluffed by export and import houses. As this art is diminishing, it is a supreme goal for the company to open such schools where people can study and learn different aspects of different arts, and by doing so we can save Indian different arts from diminishing. There is a lot of market opportunity, as there are many passionate lovers of arts and craft due to tourism, increase in tourism and globalization. There is a lot of market demand which needs to get a good supply, and we are the link between art and craft and business, profitability, passion, love, and the passion of a craftsman towards its craft, and towards and the passion of entrepreneurs like we towards business. We are the link between those poor craftsmen and those people who love them. Thank you.